To take continuous screenshot using a shortcut on the assistant menu in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, tap the assistant menu button to view all shortcuts. Swipe the menu to the left or right to find screenshot shortcut. Tap screenshot shortcut to take a screenshot of the currently open screen. And then tap continue shortcut icon. Repeat this action until you reach to the screen you like to take the screenshot. Taking continuous screenshot lets you take screenshot of the multiple screen because it can take the screenshot of the currently open screen and then automatically scroll down the screen, take a screenshot, and then skip it to the previous screenshot. Tap the result at the bottom of the screen or through the notification panel to see your screenshot and do the required action for it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.